Hi everyone, I smell an opportunity for a little video. Not been in my car I think I've driven my car once in about 8 weeks, because not been well. And it won't start. Oh dear. Hi everyone. The jumper packs, little jumper pack starter update. I've not used my car for quite a long time because I've been in hospital and everything. So I've come to start it and it won't have it. So what we're going to do is, if you've seen the video before, we're going to look at the jump pack, and the one we're going to fit is the smaller one. So I'm just going to clamp this up. If I can get in there. Just going to clamp this up to the battery. So if I So we've got it connected at the moment. So I'm going to press this button. Shows it's fully charged. And let's see if the car will start up. This is going to be interesting to see how good these things really fucking are. And this isn't a high powered amp battery either. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that was good. So, this is running. So let's disconnect that. That was only a couple of cranks. Engine's running. Just going to set what's on here. Right, I need to go to the shop. So I'm going to take this and see if it gets me to the shop and back without using this. This is the lower version, the lower amp rated version, and it is a low, small battery. Let's see if you see it on only a 40 amp hour battery, but it's in the words of wisdom, it has started that. Okie dokie, get back to you later. Okay, I've got to the shops and I'm just going to turn the engine off on the car. Do my little, just get a couple of things and we'll see if it fires up. Right, okay, back in my car. Keys in the ignition. Let's see what happens. Obviously when I did that jump thing, I just made sure everything switched off for blowers and everything and all that lot. And everything's switched off now, so let's try. Oof. Oh God, that looks really weird. Here we go. Wow. It's fired up. Yeah, it's probably a very good battery, this. It is a decent main battery anyway. It just went a bit low and it wouldn't crank the engine over, but just driving to the shops and back, it's like just banged enough charge in there to start it, and I didn't need to use the starter pack. Brought it with me just in case. There it is on my fucking seat. If my camera can get in. So, see you later. Be careful out there.